Hey everyone! Today we're discussing a tablet that is obviously not meant for a coffee shop or a sofa, but rather for actual work in actual settings. One of those gadgets that you can practically rinse with water, dip into mud, wipe off, and continue using without fear is the FOSSiBOT DT3 5G. The combination of a cutting-edge Dimensity 732 CPU with 5G compatibility, a massive battery with about 22,000 milliampere-hour, and quick 66-watt charging already looks amazing. The FOSSiBOT DT3 5G's primary concept is endurance. This tablet is designed to last in situations when other gadgets fail. It is prepared for water, dust, vibrations, drops, and extreme conditions because it complies with the military MIL STD 810H specification and is protected by IP68 and IP69K standards. The only actual distinction between the two color accents is a decorative line that can be either gray or blue on the body. There are a few things to be aware of beforehand regarding ports and physical characteristics. USB Type-C is used for data transfer and charging. However, as this is a USB 2.0 interface, you shouldn't anticipate quick cable transfers for big video files or archives. It's great for charging and routine operations, but professionals who frequently transfer big volumes of data should be aware of this restriction. Another powerful and useful component is the display. The 10.4-inch screen of the FOSSiBOT DT3 5G has a resolution of 2000 by 1200. The interface appears sharp, the text is easy to read, and the image is clear. Deep blacks and striking contrast are absent, but that isn't the intention here. The Dimensity 732, a contemporary mid-range chipset based on an effective production process, manages performance. This processor does not strive to surpass benchmark records and is not a flagship model. With 12 gigs of RAM and virtual memory extension, multitasking is easy, and the system performs well even when numerous apps are running in the background. For the class, gaming performance is mediocre. One of the main benefits of the FOSSiBOT DT3 5G is connectivity. Whether you're at a remote location, on the road, or in the field, full 5G support enables you to function entirely without Wi-Fi. Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6, and NFC support, which is still uncommon for tablets in this category, all function steadily. For a tough tablet, the camera arrangement is better than you might anticipate. In well-lit environments, the primary 64-megapixel camera produces reliable pictures with consistent quality and no unpleasant surprises. With a clean image in both bright and dim circumstances, the 32-megapixel front camera is more than adequate for video chats and remote meetings. Perhaps the FOSSiBOT DT3 5G's most distinctive characteristic is its battery. The tablet comfortably lasts a full day of intensive use because of its enormous 21,560 milliampere-hour capacity. It can take up to 2 days with moderate workloads, and occasionally even 3 if mobile data isn't utilized much. For a battery this size, quick 66-watt charging is an essential benefit. The tablet's weight and thickness are also caused by this massive battery, but the trade-off makes sense for its intended user base. So the FOSSiBOT DT3 5G distinguishes itself from many other tough tablets by feeling more advanced and well-equipped. It provides capabilities that are frequently absent from protected smartphones, like as a more recent chipset, the most recent version of Android 15, full 5G connectivity, and quick charging. Although it is heavy and not intended for recreational use, it provides the steadiness, independence, and dependability that are essential for professional use. This is a well-thought-out working tool for people who need their gadget to endure and function in challenging circumstances, not a degraded, rugged tablet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.